In a small village surrounded by golden wheat fields, there lived a woman named Ayla. Her home was humble, made of clay walls and wooden beams that held the scent of old stories. But Ayla's home had something special warmth. Every morning, sunlight entered her house through the window, and as the light touched the walls, Ayla would smile. But there was one corner that always felt empty, a silent place that needed life. One day, while walking near the village market, Ayla saw a bundle of some simple jute rope. Rough, natural, earthy, it reminded her of the field she walked through every day. She picked it up and thought, what if beauty doesn't always need to be expensive? What if the most meaningful decoration is the one made with love? And that is how her creative journey began. Now, just like Ayla, we begin with a round mirror, any size you like, jute rope or twine, hot glue, cardboard base, and your creativity. Place your mirror flat on a surface, cut on a circular cardboard baking slightly bigger than the mirror. This is your supportive canvas. Start applying jute rope along the mirror's border. Move slowly, follow the round shape. Let your hands feel the rhythm. Once the first border is complete, continue in outward rings. This creates a beautiful sunburst look from the rustic. And here's the magic. You can shape the jute into petals, waves, leaves, or braids. This is where your heart speaks. As you warp the jute, imagine tiny memories into each turn. A days passed, Ayla worked on her jute mirror piece. She braided the jute like she braided her daughter's hair. She shaped curve inside, inspired by the rivers she once watched in childhood. Once slowly, her mirror became a piece of her soul. When she finally hung the mirror on that once empty wall, the entire space came alive. People visiting would say, where did you buy this beautiful piece? And Ayla would smile and say, I didn't buy it, I made it. It holds my morning, my memories, my peace. And that's the secret behind handmade decor. It is not just an object, it's a feeling. You can make many styles: sunflower style, boho fringe style, braided crown style, lace, Christmas tree style, wreath style, macrame layer style, and remember, there is no right or wrong. Your design is a reflection of you. Using macrame layer style, use simple macrame knot to create cascading patterns around your mirror. Lace plus jute mixed style combined with white lace with natural jute for a soft vintage romantic look. And you can apply this on cardboard, make a cone and cone shape cardboard and apply a jute or lace and make a beautiful Christmas tree is ready around you, and you feel something special. Boho fringe style, glue rope around the mirror and or a cone and cut the ends and create soft fringe perfect for cozy bedrooms. Braid thick strands of jute and place the braid in a cone style in a wreath, very elegant and royal. Ayla's story teaches us something very meaningful. We live in a world where decorations, beauty, and style are often sold to us in stores. But real beauty, where is real beauty? The real beauty that builds the heart and warms the home comes from our hands and our love. You do not need expensive material, you only need time, patience, creativity, and love. Every knot you tie, every curve you glue becomes a memory. So today, as you create your own jute wall or X-Mix craft and leather decoration and Christmas tree, wall hanging ornaments, hanging ornaments, recycled jar, know that you are not just crafting an object, you are crafting peace. You are crafting home, you are crafting your story. If you try this project, remember to smile while making it. Your energy will live in